communication and information exchange. It is designed to simplify communication and sharing of information, both horizontally and vertically in public diplomacy domain between the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and its diplomatic posts abroad. This portal will bring efficiency and transparency in our various public diplomacy initiatives as we add a standardized assessment tool of the qualitative and quantitative impact of public programs across all missions abroad. Going digital is no longer optional, and by launching Share Pakistan globally, this ministry is also stepping into the latest trends. This paperless digital tool is the first portal launch covering the integration of digital technologies in both our public diplomacy strategic outreach efforts and institutions. It will be used in diplomacy for outreach decision support, drafting strategic communication, translating foreign policy, and analyzing and analysis of the latest trends. I believe that this digital tool can serve as a model for future projects for useful and effective communication between the ministries and its mission. We hope to thus transform the work culture of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the government of Pakistan. We also hope that this portal will be the first step to simplify or the simplification of communication systems and IT-based solutions in the engagement of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs with the other government departments and facilitate inter-department coordination. I am grateful to the NITB and the Ministry of Information Technology for partnering with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in developing the Share Pakistan portal so that our public diplomacy activities have greater visibility and achieve desired foreign policy goals. I congratulate the spokesperson's office and the strategic communication team on the successful launch of this portal. Let's launch Share Pakistan. आप सबका बहुत
दफ्तर खारजा में शेयर